Hello YouTube, my name is Iger and I'm a motion designer. In this video series, we discuss tips and tricks which have helped me lots of times and which will definitely improve your workflow and save you time. Today I'm going to show you a trick that expected to streamline and speed up your work enormously. Say you've got a project with countless layers and each one of them is animated, and now you're in the situation when you've got to place a certain layer next to another one. Of course, you can always do it the hard way, like moving the layer by hand, zooming into the timeline. But granted the innumerable layers and a small or medium screen size, you're most likely to get confused. I do know what I'm talking about because most of the time I used to work with 13-inch MacBook, but you can do it the easy and fast way. To do so, when you see the full project, left click on the layer and press the Shift button. Thus, After Effects will automatically define the beginning and the end of your layer, as well as analyze all the other layers, and it will put the layer next to the one you need. This can also be applied if layers contain keyframes. In this case, you've got to select the layer you need, press U button. Now you'll see all the layer properties. After that, select the keys and keep the Shift key pressed so you can match the keys' positions of different layers. Basically, I share this with you because for me it was a very useful piece of information at some point, and I just hope it'll be of great use to some of you. Subscribe to my channel if you like this episode of Tips and Tricks. Thanks for watching and let the motion be in your life. Cheers!